Hey guys, what if I told you there's a motorhome so powerful, so massive, and so advanced that it looks like something built for a military convoy, but inside, it feels like a 5-star luxury apartment on wheels. Today, you're looking at the unbelievable GMC 2027 Sierra MONSTERHOME 10x10, a next-generation electric motorhome that runs on battery power and solar energy. And trust me, this thing is not just big, it's absolutely insane. Welcome back to NextLux Reviews, the place where we explore the most powerful, futuristic, and luxurious vehicles on the planet. If you love crazy motorhomes, futuristic RVs, and luxury travel machines like this one, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next review. Now let's take a real walk around this monster. The first thing that hits you when you see the GMC Sierra MONSTERHOME is its size. This thing is enormous. We're talking about a full 10-10 wheel setup, meaning 10 massive off-road wheels designed to handle anything from American highways to Canadian mountains, and even remote wilderness trails in the UK countryside. It's built for people who want to travel anywhere without limits. The color immediately grabs attention too. The gunmetallic finish gives the whole vehicle a stealthy, futuristic feel. It looks aggressive, powerful, and extremely premium. Under bright light, the metallic texture reflects beautifully, giving it that high-end industrial luxury vibe that you'd expect from a modern electric expedition vehicle. Now let's move toward the front look of this monsterhome. The front design feels like a combination of a heavy-duty truck and a futuristic armored vehicle. The massive grille carries the bold GMC badge, and right above it you can see the rugged Sierra styling influence. The headlights are ultra-modern LED clusters that give the vehicle a sharp, confident face. These lights are designed for long highway drives, but also powerful enough to light up remote desert roads or mountain trails at night. Mounted above the windshield, you'll notice a full LED light bar and extra auxiliary lights. That means this motorhome is ready for serious adventure driving. Whether you're crossing the Nevada desert, driving through snowy Canadian forests, or exploring the Scottish Highlands, visibility will never be a problem. The front bumper is extremely heavy-duty. It includes recovery hooks and reinforced protection, which tells you right away that this vehicle is not just built for luxury. It's built for survival and exploration. Now let's talk about the wheels, because honestly, they deserve their own moment. 10 gigantic off-road wheels give this motorhome insane stability. The tires are thick, aggressive, and designed for extreme terrain. This kind of setup distributes weight across the entire vehicle, which improves traction and makes the ride surprisingly smooth despite the vehicle's size. Each wheel is mounted with heavy-duty suspension, allowing the monsterhome to handle rocky trails, muddy paths, and long-distance travel without stressing the chassis. For a vehicle this big, stability is everything, and the 10-10 setup absolutely delivers. Now, walking along the side of the motorhome, you start to appreciate how thoughtfully designed it is. The exterior body is built with strong aluminum panels and reinforced sections that make it durable, but also relatively lightweight for its size. Multiple storage compartments line the lower sides. These compartments are perfect for camping gear, outdoor equipment, tools, and long travel essentials. Large tinted windows run along the living section of the motorhome. These windows are designed to bring in natural light while still maintaining privacy inside. From the outside, they look sleek and modern, and from the inside, they provide beautiful panoramic views of wherever you decide to park. One of the coolest features on the roof is the solar panel system. The GMC MONSTERHOME uses a large solar array that continuously charges the battery system during daylight hours. This means if you're camping somewhere remote for a few days, the solar panels will keep your power system running without needing to plug into anything. Combined with the advanced electric battery system, this motorhome becomes extremely energy efficient. It can run lighting, climate control, appliances, and even help extend driving range using solar support. Now let's move to the rear section of the vehicle. The back design is just as rugged as the front. You'll see reinforced structures, additional lighting, and a rear access ladder that leads up to the roof. This is perfect if you want to check the solar panels or simply enjoy an elevated view of your surroundings. There's also extra cargo space at the back, which is great for bicycles, outdoor adventure gear, or even small equipment if you're planning a long expedition. But honestly, the exterior is only half the story. Let's step inside because this is where the GMC Monsterhome truly feels like a luxury apartment. As you enter the living area, the first thing you notice is the open layout. The interior feels spacious and modern, with high-quality materials everywhere. Soft lighting, premium seating, and clean design lines make the environment extremely comfortable. The living area features a large lounge space with plush sofas that can easily seat several people. Imagine parking near a lake in Canada or along the California coast and relaxing here while watching the sunset through the panoramic windows. Right in front of the lounge, you'll find a smart entertainment system with a large display screen, surround sound speakers, and full connectivity. Whether you want to watch movies, stream shows, or monitor the vehicle systems, everything is integrated into one smart interface. Now, let's move into the kitchen area because this is where things get impressive. The kitchen is fully equipped, just like a modern home kitchen. You get a sleek countertop, an electric induction cooktop, a built-in oven, a microwave, and a full refrigerator. Storage cabinets are everywhere, so you can easily carry groceries for long trips. There's even a smart sink system with filtered water and efficient water management, so you can cook and clean comfortably while traveling. This means road trips are no longer about fast food and gas station snacks. In this motorhome, you can actually cook real meals while enjoying incredible views. Next to the kitchen is the washroom, and this area is surprisingly luxurious for a motorhome. The bathroom features a modern shower cabin, a high-efficiency toilet system, and a stylish sink with storage space. The materials are water-resistant but still feel premium, giving it the look of a small luxury hotel bathroom rather than an RV washroom. Hot water, ventilation, and lighting are all designed to be energy efficient, so the system works smoothly even when you're camping off-grid. Now let's move toward the bedroom section. The bedroom area is designed for maximum comfort after long travel days. A large king-size bed sits in the center, with soft lighting and storage cabinets around it. The mattress looks extremely comfortable, and the surrounding windows give you beautiful morning views. Imagine waking up in the mountains, opening the blinds, and seeing nature right outside your window. There's also climate control inside the sleeping area, meaning you can keep the temperature perfect whether you're traveling through hot deserts or cold northern regions. Now, let's talk about the performance, because this motorhome is not just about luxury. The GMC Sierra Monsterhome is powered by a powerful electric drivetrain combined with a massive battery pack. Electric motors deliver strong torque instantly, which is extremely important for moving a vehicle of this size. Acceleration is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly responsive. Unlike traditional diesel motorhomes, this electric setup eliminates engine noise and vibration, giving you a peaceful driving experience. The battery system is designed for long-distance travel, and the solar panels help extend range by constantly charging during daylight. Advanced driving technology also plays a big role here. The Monsterhome includes smart driver assistance systems, stability control for large vehicles, and multiple cameras around the body to help with parking and maneuvering such a massive machine. Driving something this big might sound intimidating, but these smart systems make it much easier. Now, of course, the big question everyone asks: how much does this monster cost? Because this is a high-end luxury electric motorhome with advanced engineering and premium materials. The estimated price is around $650,000 to $700,000 US, depending on customization and features. Yes, that's expensive. But when you consider you're getting a fully electric expedition vehicle, luxury apartment, interior, solar power system, and the ability to travel anywhere in comfort, it actually starts to make sense for serious adventure travelers. This is not just a vehicle, it's a moving luxury home built for the future of road travel. And honestly, vehicles like this show where the RV industry is heading: cleaner energy, smarter design, and the freedom to explore the world without sacrificing comfort. So, what do you guys think about the GMC Sierra Monsterhome 10x10? Would you take this beast on a cross-country road trip across the United States, explore the wild landscapes of Canada, or drive through the scenic countryside of the UK? Let me know in the comments, because I'd love to hear where you'd take this monster. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the craziest luxury motorhomes ever built, make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews, because we bring you the most powerful trucks, futuristic RVs, and next-generation luxury vehicles from around the world. Thanks for watching, keep chasing adventure, and I'll see you in the next review.